Hey crypto fans, welcome back here with more news on the Bitcoin, and today we're looking into more information on the Bitcoin's price. Where is it heading? Because today we saw a massive increase. It went up to 45,500 at the highest, almost 46,000 right there, and at the lowest it was 42,600, so it went like $3,000 up from that point, from 42,600 to the highest position of actually 45,877, and it was really close to 46,000 but still didn't break it. Traded volume grew up 125% with a $34 billion in, and all I would say, if we look at the monthly chart, it was one of the highest volumes. Yeah, we had 41 billion, we had 42 billion even, but it is really close to that point, and the price even higher than that, so it says that we can possibly hit the $50,000 mark. Okay, let's go on the news. First of all, I think that was what lies ahead of us makes 2020-2021 seem like a drop in the ocean. I've said it many times and I'm still firmly convinced we are facing a cycle like 2016-2017. Enormous upside potential. Chart later, I'm sure you'll be happy when you see it. If you are jealous that some of us bought our first Bitcoin 8 years ago under $500, just know that we also stacked at 64,000 in 2021. Also, BlackRock will buy $10,000 worth of, $10 million worth of Bitcoin tomorrow, and yeah, we are prepared for it as Bitcoin. The trust purchased Bitcoin at a price of this per Bitcoin with this proceed of seed creation basket on January 3rd, and we are waiting for that moment. What is going to happen after that, we are going to see. The Bitcoin ETF is priced in. No, it's not. 10x in the next month. In the next 18 months would actually surprise me, and wouldn't actually surprise me. Bitcoin price spike about 45,800 cost over $73 million in short liquidations. What's next awaits for us. The sideline bears will be most hurt from this bull rally, and we could see that in 2015, and now we are possibly building this one in 2023, going for 250,000 plus price. BlackRock Bitcoin ETF approval. BlackRock thinks the SEC will take until the end of the week to approve the spot Bitcoin ETF, and source is Fox Business. Everyone is here in a bull market. You'll see a lot of new coaches and gurus, but that's okay. But please remember who was with you every day when the price of Bitcoin was at its lowest this cycle, 15K. We just want you to know that we are here to stay, and we are here to support you. Just in, Bitcoin addresses holding at least one Bitcoin has reached an all-time high at the 1 million addresses already. Just imagine that, just a single Bitcoin, 1 million addresses, and it means at least 1 million people already holding at least one Bitcoin, and it says that most of them hold even more than that, but if we count, let's say, the 1 million addresses at 1 Bitcoin rate, it means already 1 million Bitcoins taken. We know that a lot of huge businesses have holding like most of the Bitcoin, like 40% or something, and it adds up to that percentage. We might understand that there's not much of Bitcoins left in actual market, and we know that 70 to 80% of the Bitcoins were not sold in a long period of time. And all I'm gonna say, it will be worse and worse, and you will be able to buy less and less tokens on a short period of time and in a long period of time. So with a time coming, you will be able to purchase less and less Bitcoin. So all I'm going to say, it will be a huge fight for Bitcoin when it's going to happen. So with all this information we got, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.